This is the pierogi video. We're going to be making pierogies today with Grandma. And we're going to start by making some dough. We're going to take 4 cups of flour and 3 eggs. And we're going to mix up some dough. And we're going to start making pierogies. So let's get going. We'll be back. We got to get the mixer going. So we've got our dough all mixed up. We're going to take that and refrigerate it after we've mixed those ingredients, and we will put it in the fridge and leave it overnight. And so yesterday we mixed up some dough, and it's probably been sitting in here rising in the refrigerator. Yep, look, it came up beautiful. And we've got our dough that we are going to be using today to complete our pierogies. And so the next step is to make the fillings. So for the pierogies that we've made, we're getting 1 pound. This is a 1 pound container of farmer's cheese. We're going to take that and we're going to mix it with some other cheese. What do you got, Mom? We're going to mix it with some grated cheese.
Extra sharp.
Extra sharp cheese. And how much cheese was that, Mom? Do you know?
I don't know how many ounces. I don't know.
So we got the farmer's cheese and the grated cheese mixed up in a bowl.
This gives it more of a cheese flavor.
Gives it more of a cheese flavor
than the plain farmer's cheese.
Yeah. And so that's where we are at this point. Okay, so our dough has been sitting all night, and now we're going to be rolling it into a sheet to stretch it out to start forming our pierogies. So we've got a little flour here so it doesn't stick to the rolling board. And we're going to use the dough and roll that out. So what we do is we cut the dough into small little square pieces. And then we take that dough and we fill it with the filling. In this case, it's farmer's cheese and shredded sharp cheese. Okay, Mom, so how big do we have to make these pierogies? Let's see, if we want to have 10 pierogies, I've got my slide ruler here. We got 7 millimeters by 7 millimeters and 3 pounds. Okay, so that means we're going to make 250 pierogies based on a portion that Mo would eat. Okay, very good. Nothing like a slide ruler. No batteries needed. And old Ben Zay's in here coming to get some pierogies. What do you say, Ben? You want a pierogi or two? And then we pinch the ends of the pierogi into a little pocket. So we got a fold on one side. And then we pinch the edges of the pierogi. Fold them over, and that's basically it prior to cooking.
As soon as I get about a good amount, then I'll start cooking it. Takes 20 minutes to cook.
And so we've got pierogies cooking for 20 minutes. Okay, Mom, so we got the cheese pierogies. Now we do what? We're going to be making some pierogies with another filling, with sauerkraut.
That was prepared.
Which has been drained, cheesecloth. We got the sauerkraut. It's drained here.
And it's going back in the fridge.
And here is our filling that we're dicing up the drained sauerkraut to prepare it for the filling. So what are you doing, Mom? Just sauteing the onions? How long do you cook those for?
Just until they get limp. Just a few minutes.
And you're going to mix that with the sauerkraut? And so we take those onions and we mix them in with the sauerkraut to make our filling for the sauerkraut filled pierogies. These are sauteed onions that were chopped and added to the cooked drained sauerkraut. So with the formula recipe of 4 cups of flour, we get approximately 30 7-ounce pierogies, which are now packaged for freezing and also available for a nice pierogi dinner this evening.